Okay, so let's go to the next challenge. Okay, so it says, so this is the Redirector challenge. Did I not finish this challenge? Huh, it looks like I wasn't able to, it looks like I didn't finish the challenge. That's weird. Okay, let's go over to the challenge. Maybe I'm not going to be able to finish the challenge. Weird. Okay, so this is a, it doesn't look like I've started the challenge. So beginner non-rootable redirector, this is the name of the challenge, and this is the IP address. So there's one flag we need to access to finish the challenge, and we need to access one service. So it says, welcome to the redirector. So welcome to the redirector of Nginx, where we are always happy to redirect you. To start the challenge, connect to this. Your timer starts from the first time you connect to the service. Okay, let's copy this. So we'll copy this over here, and then we'll access this site on the web browser. Okay, so it says, I hope you I hope you were keeping notes. Great. If we take a look at the web page source, there's a interesting. So I think we're not going to be able to solve this challenge. Here's an interesting thing. So it redirected us to this directory, this web directory over here called 08. So that might be part of the challenge. So okay, let's get started. So we're going to use curl to access the challenge, and let's see what we can see in the response. So when we tried to access this page here, it says HTTP 1.1 302 moved temporarily, and the location is HTTP ETS CTF. So does this mean that it's trying to redirect us to this page? We're going to do the same curl command, only we're going to go to the ETS CTF endpoint, and let's see what happens this time. Okay, so this one is similar, but it says move temporarily, but it takes us to this underscore endpoint. So let's follow that. And instead of ETS CTF, we're going to go to the underscore endpoint. And this time, it's going to redirect us to the 020 endpoint. So let's try to access that. Here, it's going to redirect us to the CD4 endpoint. So let's keep on following these redirections. Now the B73 endpoint. This is getting a bit ridiculous. B73. Okay, the EO7 endpoint. Okay, EO7. The CFC endpoint. Now the 4B7 endpoint. And now the 148 endpoint. 148. And now the AF8 endpoint. AF8. And now the 3DE endpoint. 3DE. And now the 415 endpoint. 415. Now the 08 endpoint. 08. And now the Huh. Now, I hope you were keeping notes. Oh, gee. Is this the flag? Is the flag all these numbers? It could be that the flag is all these numbers. Okay, well, let me start writing these down. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's ETS, CTF, right? I'm just gonna copy these to something else. So ETS, CTF, and then underscore, and then 020, and then CD4, CD4, and then B73, B73, and then EO7, EO7, and then CFC, and then 4B7, and then 148, and then AF8, and then 3DE, 415, and then 08. Okay, so the whole flag is looks something like this. So all we need to do is just submit this flag. So let's do that. So we're going to go over to the EchoCTF page. We're going to submit the flag, and boom. Okay, so we got flag redirector claimed for 190 points. Huh, why did we only get 190 points? I guess we didn't do it in short enough time. Okay. Anyways, we submitted the flag. That's great. We're finished the challenge. So let's see. That was the Redirector challenge.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.